Alright guys, what we're doing today is we're doing a demolition derby with our RC cars. And one's tiny and one's big. James, introduce yourself. James. Well, that's James Riley. And I'm Braxton Coulter. Alright, so guys, today what we're doing, RC car, and I just got stuck. But we're going to be doing more RC car challenges, and some will be at my house and some will be here. So we're going to do a derby today.
At James Riley's house.
You mean at retarded's house?
Boom! He goes to hit him! Babe! Come on. Nom, chicken, nom. Miss me. Nom, chicken. Chicken. Bow, boo, yeah. What's that?
You suck.
Yeah, I hit him, baby. Man, my bullet was stuck.
Can't touch him. I gotta hit you. Alright, hold on.
Hit the retard! Yes! The four-wheeler unlocked! We're playing hill climb.
You wish. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you.
He's disqualified, Hillary.
You wish. Alright guys, that's it for the day. See y'all later.
As y'all see, I hit Braxton Coulter. Boom! That's the grand finale.
See y'all later.